back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
All right, here we go. 12 laps, Alex West and Cordell Moore.
You'll walk away with this.
Green flag is out. Alex West goes to the top quickly, but here comes Moore. Look at Moore. Such a run out of turn number 2 down the back straightaway. Alex West, though, finding a little bit of speed on the lower side, but Cordell Moore is going to lead lap number 1. Chevy Gibson is battling with Layton Ramirez for 3rd, and he gets pushed high just a little bit. Look at Ryan Paciocco. Paciocco started 9th. He's running 4th. Or make it 5th. Holy cow. So Cordell Moore, like he shot out of a cannon, no trouble leading this one up front. Alex West, Landon Ramirez, and Chevy Gibson. 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. In case you're scoring at home, it's a 2.6 second advantage for Cordell Moore, and it's not getting shorter, it's getting longer. A good battle for 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. Alex West, Landon Ramirez, and Chevy Gibson nose to tail on the front straightaway. Ryan Paciocco runs 5th. 6 down, 6 to go for Cordell Moore. Oh boy, Landon Ramirez he's trying to dispose of Alex West. Meanwhile, keep Chevy Gibson behind him. So it's kind of a two-pronged battle there. Offensive and defensive mode for Landon Ramirez. Right now, it's a little bit more defensive as he's falling back just a little bit. I say just a little bit. It's a car length and a half. It was a car length. So 8 laps going on the board. Alex West still running 2nd, holding off Landon Ramirez. So still good battle for 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. White flag in the air. One more time around for Cordell Moore. He's looking to go wire to wire. Still good battles for 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. Oh, gosh. Man, 3 wide down the back straightaway for 2nd. Oh, boy, 4 wide with the left car. Cordell Moore takes the checkered flag. Who's going to grab 2nd? At the line, it's going to be Chevy Gibson. Wow, good battle for the runner-up spot. It was all taking place behind a dominating performance from Cordell Moore, but Chevy Gibson grabs the second spot with Landon Ramirez third and Alex West fourth. Ryan Paciocco rounds out the top five.
Send him back to the bids.
Well, there he is. He can hear you. Cordell Moore from Holton, Indiana, victorious yet again here at the Lawrenceburg Speedway. So impressive.
You're back next week, right? Yeah.
So don't forget next week, SCDRA, Ohio Valley SCDRA, 1,000 to win for compacts next week. So that's a good start for the next 7 days for Cordell Moore. I am sure he will be back here.